Here are the Forex brokers with the lowest commission in 2024. I'm Noam.
And I'm Justin. We've been comparing Forex brokers for over a decade now, and we've got the latest in CFD and Forex trends.
In this video, we're going to uncover the lowest commission Forex broker in 2024. Before we get into it, at the end of this video, we're going to uncover a broker that has the cheapest trading costs globally. Stay tuned to the end of the video where we uncover exactly who that broker is. All right, Justin, the lowest commission Forex brokers in 2024, we've been doing this analysis for I think the last 5 years. The list has changed slightly, but the first position in 2024 is taken out by the same broker that took it out in 2023, and that's Fusion Markets. Why Fusion?
Okay, so they've taken it out over a few years. So what we do is we generally get every single broker, we make a big table. You can see that table on our website, and they publish their commissions, and then we put them all together. Now, Fusion has had the lowest commissions pretty much ever since they started operating about 6 or 7 years ago.
Yep.
So let's go through what that commission is. It's $2.25 per site. That's $4.50 round turn. Whether it's AUD or USD, and they also have base currencies in things like pounds and euros, so they can onboard people from a lot of places around the world. So $2.25, let's compare that to the average broker, and the average broker is $3.50. That's substantially cheaper. So when it comes to trading costs, there's two things. There's the spread and there's the commission. Now, we looked at how much each one impacts the actual trading cost, and for a raw account, the commission is the number one factor. So let's focus a bit less on spreads, let's focus on the commission. They've got the lowest, but when it comes to spreads, have a look at our methodology and you'll see they're also competitive. So it's like the complete package. Low spreads and low commissions. How they do it? Well, Fusion Markets is a very small broker. It's been founded by Phil Horner, ASIC regulated, and I think they've got 1 or 2 other regulations around the world. They run a tight ship. So that's the key thing. These large brokers, they're huge, they've got shareholders, etc. This is a smaller operation, but they're still regulated, still got good customer service. They still offer the main trading platforms such as MT4, MT5, and they just recently launched TradingView. So pretty good offering. It's pretty hard to go past them. If your goal is to keep your trading costs low, it's been hard to not look at Fusion Markets over the past few years.
Okay, so that's Fusion at number 1. At number 2, we selected Eightcap. Why did we choose Eightcap for number 2 in this list?
Okay, so Fusion has clearly got the best commissions for Forex. But what about if you want to do CFD? So what about if you want to trade crypto? Gold. Gold's certainly been moving a lot in 2024. What about commodities, etc.? So when we look at an all-round type of commissions, it's clear that that Eightcap are by far the best. So we're looking at the spreads, we're looking at the commissions, the overall package. If you're looking to do something like mainly trade cryptos, I'd be going with Eightcap.
Okay, interesting. So that's Fusion at number 1, Eightcap at number 2. Number 3, traders will be a little bit surprised to hear of this broker at number 3, but number 3 on this list is Oanda. Why Oanda?
Okay, this is a bit of a trick, okay? I know you're looking for the lowest commissions, but we thought we'd just throw in there a broker that doesn't charge commission and only charges spread. And that's Oanda. So Oanda is the best when it comes to the standard account. They are also the most trusted broker of 2024 based on things like regulation, popularity, etc., and reviews. So when we looked at standard accounts, we looked at commission accounts, so raw accounts. The clear analysis that Ross Collins, our head of research, showed is the raw accounts are much cheaper option. Look, standard accounts are made for beginners. Okay, so if you're a beginner and you want a standard account, Oanda is your choice. But clearly, if your goal is to keep your trading costs low, you've got to go for a raw account when it comes to a broker.
Okay, all right, so let's just summarize that quickly for the guys back home. So at number 3, we listed Oanda there, and that's because of their standard account.
Yep.
Because of the spreads
for
with the
beginners.
standard account for the beginners. Okay. At number 2, we had Eightcap there. Eightcap were there because
the CFD range. If you're looking to trade, a bit of Forex, but a lot of other things like gold, like commodities, like oil, or crypto, well, Eightcap's probably is better there because they've got lower spreads and their commissions are very tight on these types of products. So Eightcap for CFDs.
Okay, and the winner 2 years running for the lowest commission Forex broker in 2024 was Fusion Markets. They had a round turn commission cost of $4.50, so $2.25 per side. That's really why they won it. But you know, you said earlier in the video that Phil Horner, who's the director of Fusion, really does run a lean enterprise there, which is why they're able to kind of pass those savings on to traders. So if your goal is to try and save on trading costs, at the end of the day, those commissions do eat into your profitability, then going with a broker like Fusion is certainly going to be the pick for you.
Absolutely, Noam. And we should also mention that we actually did execution speed testing, and they were also one of the fastest brokers on the market. So if you're looking at doing automated trading with EAs, you need someone that's fast execution speed that doesn't have slippage. So a lot of things going right for Fusion Markets. That's why they're the winner.
Okay, Justin, thanks so much. Guys, earlier on in the video, we mentioned that we were going to divulge a Forex broker that is probably on par, if not cheaper, than Fusion Markets in terms of overall trading costs. And that's a brand new broker out of Australia called DNA Markets. That's dnamarkets.com. They're ASIC regulated. I believe they have 1 or 2 offshore licenses as well. They've got all the main trading platforms that people are after when it comes to trading, be it MT4, MT5, and even TradingView, which I know you love. They boast, commissions around that $4.25, $4.50.
$4.50, so
round turn.
$2.25 per side, on par with Fusion. What we like about them is the actual spreads. So obviously they're a new broker, they need to disturb the market. Fusion's quite established there. So what they've tried to do is just undercut a bit from spreads. So we get a lot of people that just say, we just need the cheapest. We just want to do a main trading platform and we just want the cheapest broker. And clearly we've got a winner here. They're new in 2024 and they're trying to disrupt the market. So I'd definitely be having a look. If your main goal is the cheapest, have a look at DNA Markets.
Guys, thanks so much for watching. Please don't hesitate to give us a like down below, and let us know in the descriptions and the comment section down below if there are any other videos you'd like us to create for you in 2024 to help you on your trading journey.